buong residente. Karamihan sa kanila, sarado dahil walang kuryente.
Province na hindi magiging mandatory o sa pilitan ang vaccination. So, Danao City bago siya nagtungo sa bayan ng Liloan. Sa nagkasiya at pagpatuloy niya ang kanyang mga nasimulan at panatilihin number 1 ang Cebu Province of 1,030 modern jeepneys and about intercut by more than half travel time from Cebu City to Lapu-Lapu City. Huge rally for the rivals weeks ago. Presidential candidate Isko Moreno. The rally
For the situation on the ground. Dale, ano nangyayari dyan ngayon sa Cebu?
May Muzaproduction as early as 6 a.m. The voters have started to arrive at the polling center of the school. So those who are yet to vote later may need to pack more patience for snacks and water.
Mayong gabi, Pinky, the long lines of people waiting to get their chance.
I committed that I will do my very best.
CEBUANOS are getting some sort of much-needed relief as Cebu Province no longer requires its residents to wear face masks. Despite the calls from Interior Secretary Eduardo Anyo to continue implementing phase-out, pinirmahan ni Garcia ang isang executive order na ginawang optional na pagsuot ng face mask sa open spaces o outdoors kahit lang. Ngayong gabi, Pia, it's official. The Cebu Provincial Board unanimously approved a local. Albert Soriano was relieved as director of the Cebu Provincial.
Kung na kampiyon sa men's event, nanalo siya lang.
Incurring damage on its front portion. While its tail is under investigation, humihingi naman ng permiso ang mga opisyal na Mactan Cebu Airport.
Pinky, balik normal na ang flights sa Mactan Cebu International Airport simula ngayong araw. Tuloy walang tigil ang ulan simula pa nung Biyernes dito sa Cebu at buong Central Visayas at sa ilang bahagi ng Cebu Island. Meron ding mga pagtaas ng tubig sa mga sapa na kungaw.
There are still a number of schools which cannot be fully utilized.
Swing na talaga, maganda na talaga yung classroom.
We're still waiting for the funds to arrive from the central office. As to when, nobody knows.
Airline launches its first direct flight between Cebu and San. It's definitely good news for passengers in the Visayas as more air-conditioned but environment-friendly public utility buses will be authority from the provincial board on Monday to file charges against the region.
Will update us on the influx of passengers at pier.
Earlier this morning, after a passenger ferry